Hello, guys. Welcome to EET. So today we have a little short video regarding probable essay topics. Okay. So now whether you will be appearing for your grade 9, 10, 11, 12, okay, exams, whether you are from ICSE or CBSE. So these topics will give you a little overview what kind of essays uh, can come for the exam. Although there is good news for CBSE students that CBSE Class 10 exam has been cancelled, although 12th is still on and the date will be decided quite later. I mean, the notification will be given little later. So, whichever exams you are giving at the higher grades 9, 10, 11, 12. So, this probable topics will give you a little overview. So, let's start. So, broader area that generally will be covering somewhere you will come across this essay related to this COVID pandemic, the lockdown situations, the regulations, not just giving the rules and regulations what were implemented, but how was the experience you being a student? How did you experience that? And also a very important component about your learning, that is online, offline learning, uh, studying using PDF and studying using your physical book, how was the different experience? So, some of the examples that I've shared, have a look. The first one could be your argumentative essay, sort of. So, where online learning is the future of education. So, do you agree or do you disagree? Okay, so those are from ICC board. You will be able to relate to this. Online learning is the future of education, argumentative essay. Then another topic could be, can online learning be a substitute to physical or offline learning? Now that if you have experienced online learning, virtual learning, can it be a substitute? Can it replace physical learning? Your views. A very important change that has come in our trend in shopping, that is e-commerce. Okay, so e-commerce, do you think it's going to overtake in the age old physical shopping, whether it's your basic grocery, whether you're shopping clothes, anything buying? So will that change e-commerce? Then e-books and physical textbook. Then from your experience, this is a very important one, because whether you are from SBSE or ICC or appearing for 9, 10, 11, 12 exam, they always ask for a narrative experience, narrate an account. So narrate a day in the lockdown which you have experienced, and you learn any life-changing lessons from it. Maybe experience studying online, your online, a day of online learning, how was the experience? Narrate an account for that. Narrate an account or experience that you think anybody from your house, touch wood, I hope nobody has got affected, but if anybody has got affected due to COVID, okay, so how did you help that person to survive in the pandemic? Or maybe okay, we have people who help us in our day-to-day work at house. So narrate an experience, how did you help those people, okay, around you? Narrate an account from your experience where you face challenges to continue online education. Maybe your device stopped working, maybe because of the internet issue. Okay, and how did you cope with the situation? How did you cope with the difficulties? Ninth one is describe pan India lockdown experience, okay, which you have also experienced. So, and how it affected different spheres, whether it's learning, education, economy, health, everything. How did it affect overall? Then descriptive essay, a lot of that, yes, describe a scene, we had, Janta curfew, which started March 2020, a year ago. How was the experience of that? And even now in certain states there are lockdown. So describe a scene from your window looking at the lockdown situation, okay, curfew situation, and describe your feelings about it. In the wake of pandemic, describe your thoughts, feeling, okay, that about the measures, precautions. Do you think those are enough to curb the spread of COVID? Now come the short story, so they can give you a beginning line which you can turn towards the theme of COVID, and write a original story like this. This too shall pass, like this. Then a picture composition. I have given up some pictures. So picture composition, the best way would be to look at, read the newspaper. Okay, so newspaper, they have very telling visual, okay, which really tells lot of things. The picture tells thousand words, as the proverb goes. So, looking at the migrant laborers, okay, they are migrating to their hometown in the wake of pandemic because loss of job, loss of employment, okay, they were not paid. So, the situation. Then, like this, another entire exodus that took place actually from all the metropolitan cities where the migrant laborers were actually going back to their hometown. Then about the fifth, this one is about a child uh, learning continuing education using device mobile phone. So if you cannot afford computer, desktop, laptop, many of the children in India couldn't afford that. So how did they continue? What are the struggles? You can talk about a similar picture. Then a lot of stress also, completing being at home throughout the day and night and completing work. So it becomes quite dull and mundane and boring at times. So you can talk about the challenges looking at the picture. So I hope this really helped you, okay, to get a glance of the kind of aces that might come this year, okay, or in the coming years as well, okay, in your board exam. So, wish you all the best. Those will be appearing for the exam. And if you like the content on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and show your love. Goodbye.